Hey everybody, Adam and Debra here from Business Action. We're coming to you to describe and let you know about an event that we've got coming up on the 23rd of October. We've got 4 different themes that we want to go through. Coming out on the end of the day, you're going to have a clear idea about getting what you want from the business, and also a key number of specific areas that you're going to be a lot more clued up on, so that when you go into your business the following day, you're going to truly be able to implement. Debra, what's the first thing that we're going to be covering on the day?
So the first thing we're going to be covering is a bit of an EOS overview to make sure that you truly understand how all these tools work together. And particularly, we're going to be talking about the accountability chart, the backbone of the EOS toolbox, and how that kind of drives everything else in those 6 key components. And that will give you a bit of the overview before we deep dive in some of the tools that will actually help with accountability.
The second thing we're going to cover is around culture and accountability. And this is about creating a team that delivers. Sometimes it's really important to make sure that you know and understand from your perspective as the leader, but actually more importantly from your team's perspective, is that they have real clear clarity in understanding first and foremost about the culture, about the rocks, the goals for a 90-day period to really drive results into your business. We're going to show you practical ways to gamify and energize your team, and give you tools to be able to run your meetings successfully and increase the levels of accountability within your organization.
And I think what's really important about that is you cannot force accountability onto anybody. You've got to lead and manage so that people actually step up and take accountability. So we're going to show you how you can do that, because as a visionary, both of us are visionaries, the more we can do this, the more we know we can actually let go. And that leads really nicely into the kind of the third workshop, which is around data and scorecards. And I know as a visionary, you're probably thinking, oh God, data and scorecards, who wants to hear about that? But the reality is that data and scorecards help us to start managing the business, not from our gut, but from actual facts. And there's a great saying that I always use is, if all we've got is if we've got data, let's look at the data. If all we've got is opinions, we'll go with mine. And as visionaries, we can be very persuasive, but we need to start making decisions based on that data and the scorecards. I've just finished rereading the data book for I think the 3rd time, so I have lots of tips and tools I'm going to share from that book.
And then we also have a session with the guys from the BlueRock team around making your numbers work for you. So this is going to be a financial deep dive delivered by Fiona MacDonald, who's the CFO of Everything is Awesome. So this is going to be a real good understanding off the back of the session that Debra and I are going to be doing to really help you understand around the numbers that you need, why they're important, so that you're able to make the right financial goals.
Fantastic. And the whole purpose of this day, as you know, if you know Adam and I, we're very pragmatic, we're very practical. This is not about the stuff you can go and read online or learn from YouTube videos. We're going to be sprinkling the day with lots of real life examples, lots of really great case studies, and really showing you how it can help to solve the issues you've got in your business to help hold that team accountable.
So, Thursday, 23rd of October, make sure you get yourself registered. We'll be working with you on your business so that as you walk out, you've got practical tools, tips and techniques to take right back into your business.
And this particular session is actually open to everybody in the EO wider community. So anybody with your accelerator, full EO member, and you can bring your 2IC along as well. So please make sure that you're not registered not only yourself, but also your 2IC as well. Look forward to seeing you there on the day.
Bye for now.